Transform your front yard with these easy landscaping ideas. A well-designed front yard can greatly enhance the curb appeal of your home and create a welcoming outdoor space for you and your guests. Whether you're looking to completely transform your front yard or simply want to make a few improvements, we've got you covered. In this article, we will explore some easy landscaping ideas that will help you achieve a stunning front yard makeover. From creative designs to practical enhancements, let's dive into the world of front yard transformation. Designing the perfect front yard. Understanding the layout. Analyze the size and shape of your front yard to determine the best design approach. Creating focal points. Incorporate eye-catching elements such as a beautifully landscaped pathway or a stunning water feature. Balancing hardscape and softscape. Combine the use of rocks, pavers, and plants to create a harmonious front yard design. Enhancing with plants. Choosing the right plants. Opt for low maintenance and climate appropriate plants that will thrive in your front yard. Adding color and texture. Incorporate a variety of plants with different flowering seasons and leaf textures to add visual interest. Layering and grouping. Create depth and dimension by layering plants of varying heights and grouping them according to their water and sunlight requirements. Creating inviting outdoor spaces. Cozy seating areas. Incorporate a seating zone with comfortable chairs or a bench where you can relax and enjoy your front yard. Outdoor lighting. Install stylish and functional lighting fixtures to highlight your front yard's best features, even after sunset. Incorporating functional elements. Add a small fountain or a fire pit to create a focal point and provide a place for gathering. Adding architectural features. Stunning entrance. Upgrade your front door and surround it with beautiful architectural elements like columns or an arched gate. Pergola or trellis. Install a pergola or a trellis to add height and provide support for climbing plants, creating an elegant focal point. Unique pathways. Design a creative pathway using materials like pebbles, stepping stones, or patterned bricks to guide visitors through your front yard. Practical considerations. Efficient irrigation. Install a drip irrigation system to ensure your plants receive the right amount of water without wasting resources. Low maintenance landscaping. Choose easy to care for plants and materials to minimize upkeep and maximize enjoyment. Sustainable practices. Incorporate eco-friendly elements like rainwater harvesting systems or native plant species that require less water. By implementing these easy landscaping ideas, you can transform your front yard into a visually appealing and functional space that enhances the overall curb appeal of your home. Remember to consider the size and layout of your front yard, choose the right plants, create inviting outdoor spaces, add architectural features, and prioritize practical considerations like efficiency and sustainability. With a professional approach and a touch of creativity, you'll achieve a front yard makeover that will leave your neighbors in awe. So go ahead and start your front yard transformation journey today.